Hi, welcome to Ikeja Computers. It's another beautiful day, and today we have something special to introduce to you. We have the HP 14S laptop. This is HP 14S laptop. The 14S laptop that is sleek and yet efficient, very portable. This laptop comes with a 8GB and 512GB of SSD of storage. That's a lot. With 512GB of SSD, that will take a lot of information of storage. And this laptop is a quality laptop. That is, the processor is very fast, so you're not bothered about working and lagging and slowing. So you have a fast, efficient laptop to do all of your daily tasks, your office work, your assignments at school. So this laptop is best recommended for you. And this laptop at this time is going for a promo price. We are currently running the promo price on this laptop now. We're giving this laptop out. Okay, this laptop comes with a free pack gift of this headset when you buy from us, and we're giving this headset to the first 10 person that reaching out to us via calls, via WhatsApp, or via our social media handles. When you reach out to us and place an order for this laptop, we'll send you this laptop and we'll gift you with this headset that you can use for your meetings. So first of all, let's go into this laptop and see how this laptop looks like. So here's this 14S laptop, a very thick laptop. The keypad is very solid and very soft. So on this side, you get the earpiece. It has the Type-C port for your to charge your phone. It has two USB ports and an HDMI port and the power port. On this side, we have an SD slot to transfer data. So this laptop is very sleek. As you can see, it's silver color. It comes with Windows 11 Professional. Very nice. So when you get this laptop from us today, we'll give you a free gift of an headset, the Micropack Stereo Sound. It's a very nice laptop headset. You can use both for your phone and for your laptop for your online meetings. So you can see the headset comes with jack. Imagine you having something like this for your meetings on Skype and you have your mic to talk, and it has a converter just in case you have other ports or single ports. So with this converter, you can easily convert the sound and you plug into your laptop, and with this you can attend your meeting seamlessly and professionally without distraction, without disturb. So get yours today from us at ObejorComputers at number 17 of Bafemi Awolowo Way, Ikeja Computer Village. We do express delivery nationwide, all around Nigeria. Okay, send us a DM. When you reach out to us on those social media handles, we are active to respond to you promptly, and you get fast response to us. We give the best of customer satisfaction. So find us plus today on our phone numbers 070-4000-2622 or 070-4000-2422, and our customer service. We are live here and very active to attend to you. Thank you.